Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable push notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn using your PC following the latest update. If you manage a LinkedIn page and want to stay instantly informed when someone sends a message to your page, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and clicking it will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to control exactly how and when LinkedIn notifies you about different activities. Now, within the Notifications settings, look for the Pages option. Click on it to open the notification settings specifically for the pages you manage. Here, you'll see several options related to page activity, including invitations, updates, analytics, and messaging. Scroll down until you find Page Messaging. This is the setting that controls whether you receive notifications when someone sends a message to your LinkedIn page. To enable push notifications, simply switch the toggle next to Push Notifications to the On position. This will ensure you get real-time alerts on your desktop whenever your page receives a message. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn. This simple change helps you respond faster and engage more effectively with your audience. If you ever want to adjust your notification preferences, just return to the same settings area and make any changes you need. Staying on top of your LinkedIn page messages has never been easier. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.